in each branch by using KVL. Nodal analysis or which analysis we have to apply? Mesh analysis we have to apply. So to do this type of problem, find the current in each branch. We have voltage sources, 3 voltage sources. Previously we have 2 voltage sources. Now another voltage source we added here. Okay. How many loops we have? 3. This is 1 loop and this is 1 loop. 2 loops we are assuming. This is 1 mesh. This is 1 mesh. 2 meshes we are assuming. Do the problem or parallelly follow this. Now it is a 1 voltage source 15 volts, another one 15 volts, another one 25 volts. 3 voltage sources, KVL problem we are doing now. We have 4 resistors or how many resistors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 resistors. Previously only 3 resistors we have. Okay. Now to apply KVL for this loop, what we have to assume? First, sign conventions are very important. Plus minus, it is plus, it is minus, it is plus, it is minus, it is plus, it is minus. Now the sign conventions we provided for this loop. It is a loop 1. Loop 1 it is. The current entering from this voltage source, it is I1 assumed that. Okay. Due to this voltage source, a current I1 is flowing in this loop. And this is the common branch for the 2 loops. Assume that this is the voltage, this is the current, plus and minus voltage source. Due to this, a current will flow I2 or I2 current will flow. Now what is the current flowing through this is I1 minus I2. I1 minus I2 in this loop. In this branch, what is the current flowing? I1 minus I2, and this is I1, this is I2. This clockwise direction we assume. Whatever the current direction, if you consider, same answer will get, which is loop 2 current direction. Loop 2 I2 is the current flowing in loop 2. Now this is a common branch. The current flowing in this branch is I1 minus I2. If you consider here, this is plus or minus, it is plus, it is minus, it is plus. If you answer it is a minus terminal, minus will be there. Or how we have to assume this plus and minus for this loop. First we assumed it is a plus, it is minus, it is plus, it is minus, because plus is connected here. You can remember this like that. And plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. And again plus minus. For this loop, first we are applying KVL for loop 1. Apply KVL for loop 1. The algebraic sum of total voltage drops or voltages is equal to 0. That is summation B equal to 0. Now the sign conventions are important. When current entering from negative terminal to positive terminal, we have to consider it is a plus. When current entering from negative terminal to positive terminal, this becomes plus. When current entering from plus to minus, it is minus. One thing we have to remember, when you consider voltage source as a plus, all will be minus. If you consider this is a minus, all will be plus. Resistance, voltage drop in resistance. That is simple thing that we have to remember. When you consider it is a plus, all will be minus. When you consider it is a minus, all will be plus voltage sources. Apply KVL for loop 1. Now current entering, I1 current is the flowing in this loop. I1 current entering here, after that it leaves at positive terminal, hence we have to consider positive. That is 15 is positive. Now the voltage drop, we have to consider this is V1, assume that V1 equal to I into R1. V equal to IR according to Ohm's law. V equal to IR. That means V1 if you want, what is the current? I1 into 5 I1. But what is the sign we have to remember? It is current entering at plus, minus it is leaving. Where it is leaving we are remembering. We have to take the sign where the current leaves. Negative current leaving. Here current is leaving at positive. Positive we represented plus 15. When current leaves at minus in this resistor, we have to consider it is a minus 5 I1. Why we represented 5 I1? Because it is a voltage drop across resistance V equal to IR. That Ohm's law we applied. Okay. Next, current enters here. What it is plus minus it is. Leaving is minus. We have to represent it is a minus 15 volts it is. 15 volts. Minus 15 plus 2 minus it is moving current. It is minus 15 we have to represent. Now the sign is minus 15. After that raised again. Now what is the current in this? I1 minus I2. Why? Because we are representing our current is I1. Always think that our current is bigger. I1, another current will come minus I2. I1 minus I2, but 8 ohms resistance. It is plus or minus we have to consider. What is the sign? Minus, because current leaving at negative. Minus 15, 8 into I1 minus I2. Are understanding this? Current entering, I1 current entering plus and minus leaving. Forget this loop. We are considering loop 1 only. Okay? This one positive, this is negative, this is negative, this is negative. That we remember. That we represented, that equal to 0 according to KVL. Another 15 ohm resistance is there. So that we have to consider minus, because current is leaving at minus. That we have to represent minus 15 I1 equal to 0. Minus 15 I1 equal to 0. Now represent this equation in simple manner. Remove the brackets. Okay, minus 15 minus 5 I1 minus 15 minus 8 I1 plus 8 I2 minus 15 I1 equal to 0. Now 15 minus 15, both will be cancelled. Minus 5 I1 minus 8 I1 is 13 I1 minus 13 I1 plus 8 I2 minus 15 I1, that equal to 0.
Sir, 1528 I1 sir. Minus
8 I1 plus 8 I2 equal to 0. 8 I2 equal to 0. Constant is 0.
Yes.
Okay. Make it as equation number 1. Constant is 0 and I1 plus 8 I2. 28 I1 minus 28 I1 plus 8 I2 equal to 0. Now we are applying loop 2. For applying loop 2, the current assuming that in loop 2 is I2. I2 how it moves? Plus 2 minus it is moving. Current assuming in clockwise direction, current entering at positive, leaving at negative. Coming to this, minus 25, apply KVL for loop 2. If you apply KVL for loop 2, first from the source we are going down. Okay? Plus 2 minus current is leaving. Minus 25. Minus 25. If you consider minus, it is voltage source, you have to consider all plus. Okay? Now it is minus plus minus plus minus plus. Now we are represented sign for this loop. Now it is minus 10 I2 minus. Now not only I2 current, another current also will come here. Now 8 I2 minus I1. Our current is I2, another current is coming downwards, that is I1. 8 I2 minus I1. After that it is minus plus. It is minus plus always. Plus minus. Plus minus it is. Minus plus it is. Voltage source will not be changeless. Minus to plus, that plus 15 again minus to plus it is plus 10 I1 I2 The current entering at 10 volt is minus 2 plus. We have to consider plus 10 I2. Now write the
Start
equation.
it.
Minus 25 10 I2. Minus 25 10 I2. Minus 8 I2. Plus 8 I2.
అడ్డం పెట్టి
Plus 10 I2 equal to 0. Write this equation. Minus 25 and 15. Minus 10. Minus 25 and 15 is there. Minus 10. Minus 25.
ఇవి నేనా కొడతా ఇన్ని తీవ్రంగా కొడతాం మళ్ళా నాకంటే బాగా ఎవడు కొట్టలేడు.
Minus 2 plus we represented. It is a rising potential. Rising potential always we have to consider positive. When minus 2 plus, it is also plus. Plus 8 into I2 and common branch for this
Disco
one.
right better than
I1 current also enters, that we have to make the difference. I2 minus I1 plus 15. Because it is a minus 2 plus always there. Minus 2 plus 15 plus 10 I2. Then change the we are not changing this
DJ
always it is there. Until if you change it, we have to consider.
DJ
Now,
బ్యాండ్ బాగా పేపర్ పై బిల్కి
minus 8I1 plus 15 plus 10 I2. Add this minus 10 I1. If you add minus 8 I1 minus 8 I1 I2s are there. Then I2 plus 8 I2 plus 10 28 I2 equal to 0. Okay. Now send the constant to right hand side. Minus 8 I1 plus 28 I2 equal to plus 10.
idea
Write as equation number 2. Write it. If you divide or without division also we can do. If you divide with which one? 2. By 2 we can divide. Divide both sides by 2. 4 I1 minus 4 I1 plus
4 4తో చేయండి సార్. ఆడ టెన్ ఉంది గమనించాలి. ఏ పక్క టెన్ ఉంది?
I1 and I2 and I1 minus I2, all the values will get because it said calculate the current through each branch. Okay. Now write the equations and matrix form. Represent the equations in matrix form. Represent equations 1. It is minus 28.
This is what.
Minus 28 and 8.
This is what.
And this one minus 4. 14. I1 equal to 0, 5. 0, 5. Now by Thomas method, if you solve, you will get I1 and I2. First, we have to determine delta. After that, delta 1 and delta 2.
Yes, sir.
Now, delta equal to how much? This is the common determinant. Minus 28. Minus 28 into 14. Minus 4 into 8. Delta 2, delta 1, delta 2 we have to calculate. Tell me this answer.
390 minus 392
ఎనకాల సెల్లు పెట్టుకోండి.
Minus 392
plus 32.
plus 30. Now minus
60
minus 360. Now delta 1 we have to replace the column
360 డిగ్రీలు దింపుతా.
that is constant is 0, 5, 8, 14.
DJ
Find out this determinant. 0 into 14
Minus 40, sir.
minus 40. AD minus BC if you do. AD 14 into 0, 0 minus 5 into 8, 40 minus 40. Delta 2, find out delta 2. How to calculate delta 2? Replace column 2 with constants. Okay, replace column 2 minus 28.
Itu tidak.
0, 5. That equal
Dia
to
dah zola.
minus 28 into 5 minus 0 into minus 4. That equal to this becomes 0. 28 into 5 is a
minus 140, sir.
minus 140. Now you can calculate I1, I2, I3. Now calculate I1.
Itu.
I1 is equal to delta 1 by delta. Delta 1 is minus 40. Delta is minus 360. Calculate it. Minus cancel. 1 by 9. 4 ones are 4 nines are 1 by 9.
Akan disandi.
That is the answer 1 by 9. I1. Now second one I2. Delta 2 by delta. That equal to delta 2 value is minus 140
7 by 18, sir.
minus delta 2 value is minus 140 by
Minus
360.
Minus 360.
Minus 1 by
7 by 8, sir.
minus 360 it is 7 by minus 360.
7 by 18.
7 by
18.
18 amps. Here also unit is ampere. Don't forget to mention the unit. For determining we have not mentioned unit. But I1, I2 we represented. That answer is minus 7 by 18. 1 by 9 is I1. I1 1 by 9 amps. I2 is 7 by 18 amps. This is I2. This is I2. 7 by 18 amps is flowing in this loop. Now common branch. Common branch is this one. I8 ohm. Current in 8 ohms resistance or branch 8 ohms branch. Current assume that it is a branch AB. Current in branch AB.
Ikut je.
Current in branch AB. AB is I8 ohm or AB branch. That is I1 minus I2. Which is bigger here?
Right.
1 by 9. 1 by 9 minus 7 by 18. Find the answer. 2 minus 7. That is minus 5 by 18 amps will flow in this branch. Now all the currents be calculated. Verify the answers. What I told.
Verify.
Verify the answers.